Kolo, go your way, oh. Timothy, oh, change your way. Timothy, oh, change your way. When we thousand, change your way. Make people like you do your way. Timothy, oh, change your way. Timothy, oh, change your way. Ah, brother, wait, sabi, oh, then they look you. Brother, wait, sabi, oh, then they look you. We don't hate you, my brother. Don't hate you, my brother. Oh, change your way. Kolo, better, oh, mentality. Kolo, better, oh, mentality. Kolo, pack your load, oh. Leave it, the movie, leave it, no, let it do what God send it. Kolo, leave it, the movie, let it do what God send it. Malady, oh, it's not good, oh. Name of Jesus, you must live the movie. Name of Jesus, you must live the movie. Malady, Kolo, malady. My people, don't blame me. And the movies our brother will beg to tell us good thing. I bet you make it take go. I bet you make it take go. I just tell you, my people, voices doesn't hate anybody. It's my brother, I must tell you, my brother. Malady, oh, leave the movie, hello. Malady, oh, leave the movie, hello. Malady, Jibamo, hello. That is how we do voice of justice. Fatima no give ya woman, oh, Tamatano. Fatima no give ya woman, oh, Tamatano. I come with no daddy, Mother. And Mother, I remember, ya with me, you. Carrego, carrego. Ega segue wherever let the movie Dausa. Live your way, oh, change your way, oh. Yes, so my people, that is how we do. I just give that our brother. We don't hate him. We like him as our brother. We love him as our brother. But we want him to change his way, to change all this attitude that he's doing. We don't need it. You know, it's according to how we respect her. If you talk of age and the months with senior me, but if you talk of wisdom and knowledge, understand more than 99% to 100%. So when we continue giving him a message like this, I believe he must only change from the way. Yes, so. Mofio, change don't mofio, change your way, my brother. We never can hate you, you are our brother. We can never hate you, our brother. But when you know what you are doing, we hating him. Make you know what you are doing, we hating. That's why. Oshama mama got know where we are. Oshama mama know where we are. A Johnny no be to be careo, begio. A Johnny no be to be careo, and young and the muffin, the mighty way. My head to my brother, change your way and get out for all those motherfucking things you are doing in social media. You are disgracing the Edo people. You are disgracing yourself. You are disgracing your family. You are disgracing the entire Benin's who love to, let me say, to work with you as a brother. But stop all those your attitude, you know. Stop all those you are doing. So this is voice, my brothers and sisters. So I am doing my my reality show. In the what talk by every chief here, what talk by based of say, and do where Emina go, Emina Ayazere. So as a instrumentally, I come here and then my brother when my heart moment, especially when I have bored, the no real I want to make an eye and I'm making a man, both music, both the media, everything. But to our work on money. You know, this is not the way for you to live as a human being. Because why? There is a lot of people that follow you for many years in the name of saying you are a media presenter. So stop giving them shame. Stop degrading them as your follower. You understand? That is why I just take come and co-live like this with some sort of my hours of instrumentally, so that make you know where my brother, you will get your time. If you not enter us, or if you not change your way, even though you not enter, change your topic, carry a new fire, profile. When we know say, if you talk out, the whole world go support you. You understand? Central must stop, bro. That one is not necessary, because why? I have never seen. It is when we know say man, women are supposed to understand say any man you spend money for, you supposed to know say that man he get the future for help you. Because my papa they use them make parable and my Benin they use them man parable say person where they know say he go better, person where they know say this life Baba God don't say now he go bless him. But as you see him maybe small picking as a spiritual eye, you don't use spiritual eye to see him. You must give him something. They give him, they bless him, they bless him. In case he come better tomorrow, he not even remember you, but you go they talk and they go say, this man, this also Baba where they drive less also. When he was going to primary school, I spend the money for, I give him money, I give him akara, I give him biscuit, I give him that. You understand? So, brother, why am I saying this? I use this medium to let you know where, bro, we never hate you as our brother, and we can never hate you as a dog brother. But we hate your doing. We hate your behavior. We hate everything that you are trying to let the world know that you want to do. You understand? Because I observe you as a human being. I observe you as a brother. Just like but brother, time for you to change. For those your attitude. Voice, since I hold on so I'll free go studio, I'll go plan for you. I say now where omonekwemu aware nekwemu agieki, but edo we emoji no motion okwe emoji no motion we no mwanolele here. So we as your brother, as a do brother, if we want women, but we no where yeah ruji if we move that is other than don't know where if we emoji no motion. Bro, we don't hate you. We want you to change. Change for us. And change for your fans. And change for all those your attitude. That is why if you don't want to listen to us, we will continue delivery through what we know, our experience, our music talent, our voice. We must surely deliver. That is why that is like voice of justice and like my people, my people. I don't like to hurt anybody as a brother. Because why? Our fight goes straight to the politicians. As a freedom fighter. As the lawmaker. Just like some of our brothers sent some video to me. Just our useless lawmaker. They try to collect about $10 million US from gay brigade game. So that made the feel they use on those vaccines. Now they will just collect the money, they go pass the law. So those kind of people now we want who they deal with. You know, if you carry game brigade, what we know say man is #1 first Lucifer for the world. If they sell vaccine for Africa now, they eject our children, they eject our papa, they eject our mama. Now, instead of them to follow the consequences and investigate, even the America when the man for come, the man the verse. If even people the verse for America say, man, this man want go keep people finish for Africa. You understand? But all those our lawmaker inside the coronavirus pandemic, that they sign out they want to buy heavy car, heavy motor. Inside the coronavirus, all of them they fish for their pocket. But our brothers and sisters, that is where in the place we channel our anger to. We are political activist fighter, freedom fighter. We will make sure we complete you. We will make sure we bring you down. We will make sure there is a justice come to your head. So that if you continue saying you want to contest or you just hide under the snake, under the green grass, say, hey, people don't know you as a politician. Now you begin contest again. We go to you as we complete God in Obaseki. We go to you. That is a no matter that is a where do here Urok material but can no here we go to you. That is where we are. That is a media presenter, and media presenter get media presenter. Freedom fighter. Change your way, just like as we see the tell the movie. So change your character. God do it. Don't fight your people. Change your way. Let your way be done for our people to endorse you. They say no, blah blah blah. That is what caused calamity. The same thing with Edwin Daosa now. This what's so called Prince Edwin Daosa. Change your attitude. The whole world are angry with you. The commander they are usually to play a comedy. The aprocos, the guitarists like the voice of justice. They are using you to play a music that your children will listen tomorrow. They will never be happy. You understand? That is why we will continue letting you know, brother. We don't hate you, but we hate your doing. We hate your attitude. And change your topic. Say, Tromo, stop, brother. Your woman will there has to suck. You did not cancel Tronia. With the money with the parents, you get more or you get more. Now you the hold on, now you the use as Zagadabo. Now you the hold on, use the buy the recharge card, the user give this what's so called recharge Osadiaye. Now you the user tio wa from what believe on your fair. Okay, Kiaro do amuye media, what do I told or what do I more bama so that make an army running. But no, you are the number one central when we know say bros. The day inside you. I won't want to give your I wait to no your can get in charge of Sadiaye. Ye ya fefe no sulokiani. Those lady, what are they doing? Egbe agayangbe. They no rock what the way ya fefe. Me ma pere no rock what the what. Okwaso la deve do the way in charge mo shavio. Erie o te fiego. Ye na sete But ma the mofi no vidausa. Change way. Bury your bros. We will continue to deliver. Brother, change your way. We don't hate you, brother. Brother, change away the movie. Brother, change away the movie. Your way is not better to my people. It's not better to my header. Say Thomas, stop what you are saying. It's not the right people. People you are get every day is not the right people. The rightful people, they under you. The rightful people, they under you. The movie, this is the Osa, I'm telling you. Maladi live those. Maladi live Edwin. Maladi live the movie. Let him know himself, Baba God. We love us, our brother. love us, our brother, the movie. Change your way, oh my brother. Change your way, oh my brother. Your mama, oh, we love you. Your papa, oh, we love you. Amy, oh, no, Jenny, oh, Eddie, oh, Green Woofy. Ìyẹ́dọ̀ òríyàn wẹ́wẹ́wẹ́ o. Dama wẹ́wẹ́wẹ́ broda gẹ́ta máa wẹ́. Ìwérí ẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀dí o, ẹ̀dí mọ́fì. So, my brother, my sisters, this is voice again as I continue saying it. Voice. We didn't hate anybody. And we do the reality. Freedom fighter remain every day by day. Change your way. My great superstar, I greet you. You did it. Why you here again? John Osas, why you here again? Gama, I see you. But our corona, my brother. Our corona. So one love to my people, one love to my people. Just a message to this our brother. We love him as our brother. We love him so much. We love him so much. But we want to make a change in attitude. No work by Udori. Ekeni ejeni odereba. Usugbo a waya uwogo. Usegbo a no anu awoke wagelegbo. Ugelegbo odomi abe inyanu we amumudiani abe aka ye baka guy no gele wofo we ayazu ogo don we na ogo nupo no emi ma so adari e fo da egbo kekere we muda guy you have to face the reality. Let's bring this idiot that called Mofiuyi, let's bring it to justice. Let's follow the justice according to the European system, you know, not by killing or by whatever or by say bros, Dimofi, I want you this million tell you, brother. You get what I heard today concerning our sisters, Steelers. But I will make sure say the elders they will say something concerning them. But for me, I have to ask you sometimes. Believe me, because why I see and say everything when we say many of our brothers or our sisters they do make they bring that boy down. Because why you want me you claim credits, all credits. So some pictures they where they send for you where you don't want to show. Because why you want to say you want claim credits, okay, what where and do way me not back. Now make you the wrong go this side. Akwa only are politics, akwa only are central most stuff, akwa who were human traffic. Because why? I don't know the rightful things we were getting where we are wagon. That make us they show you say my brother change you. Like you or maybe no yak bill man. Change. If you change, your way will change. The money where you look for, Uwami and walk off from Egbe. Egbe and the door I am on. You go know where we're going to buy me sini. I'm a politician. Where real lie or a lot of hours of rep, a real lie, bros. Whether it's one again, where it's one day by Boka. You have to start from Lama to Suya, from clap to dance. Ozab, wherever we bomane be, Udo flat a bona do ame, Udo well not do beer, Udo one everything you arrange gradually according to the system of the European. But all when we want the Africa, yo, we are 1 million, Eliona Dowa, Elie God in Obaseki do a trillion. Now you want to begin the cost people, maybe they insult people, maybe begin carry that, where when maybe a big on answer, but my brother, believe me, all over. When we get bush lion on Wabeladiana, because my only one kind, I mean, one of my day irrelevant. No wa be la dia when I wa so ku wa be so more on mono so abo yo no ruda we a tribalism racist no wa me wo only the next thing una ya mo ko no do ayin mi go be lie because they don't just say ya we ere no pa ya we ere mama no you see all those their system those are betrayal in my head. I say pere who do I take 4+4 no a person we what design we a budget to no baseki what is the budget to we mo kedore. You are going there, even brother, because I mean, no matter relevance in here, I don't want to say something concerning them because why? do where I may not mass in it, away gawu. Understand? That is why I continue hailing my big brother, wonderful twins. Okay, are we maybe me money myself? Maybe say you understand? When you see the condition of Ukevaru, now I know that story now for that music. So, man, be one man say we be say they don't want to stay one way, make they take get their future. When we say Wahari or whatever you are, a good name is better than riches. Good name, good legacy is better than riches. Nelson Mandela didn't make it. We maybe say he's a billionaire. Even Boris, this our Martin Luther King, the freedom fighter, they didn't make it. They say they are already a billionaire before or whatever. But you people on this model on this, why you make it without you don't clap from primary 1 to primary 2, from Lama to Suya, from clap to dance. You want your dance who are like who do he nego agbese? Also wo calling of bewure, eka we ego agbese pe no yawo. Because why? You have never clapped, you have never followed the step before you begin dance. That is why you people fail in the Godwin. The same thing with Abat. Then we fail. Because why? They always use the dance. I said a beat in Akbe you want, my beat in Ohide no go Egbe, you know. We never want Akbe. That is the problem those people have now. And they will continue to have the problem. And the real people know a beat in it. In total, they will sit down. I'll give you the message. Because why Papa they talk am. Say, you way you say you shall be now. This small chair when I sit down, this wheelchair when I sit down, I they look from here, go to Zafara. Even though you climb Donald Trump skyscraper, even though you climb up, you can never see it. What you have to do, you have to climb from clap to dance, from Lama to Suya, because where? From Lama to Suya, na inside Lama, na Suya there. I'm telling you this, I'm not telling you the reality where the movie, but if you don't stop those your motherfucking dance, bros, every night, every day, both music and whatever. Make music in where you are playing when on audio ne, on liking the movie. My auntie settle there because it maybe you are one and you even a pay. I walk your pound on here. I walk your pound when I walk paying on here. It's already even hand over They already know that where area vision of you and don't of you where they don't have good record again. So don't create a legacy. I'm telling you. I know you have created a lot too, but if you want all to support you, where no one cowboy are here, bros. I be ready my work better no. Better, I work better no. Bele, awari enwe, ari bota. Any ever Adam a commenter a fancy Adam a commenter because where, bros, would they tell you? Ayo get time mawe umao. Uwe national way be ladia. It's a trauma stop. It's a trauma stop. Where beno no kuwa, where beno no bea. Ah, the movie. Utamane, where beno no ku, where beno no bea. Oko no hit go bea. A connection yame. Oh, Benovo, where my own piano, uno big person to a webona. RSP, and the display will be same because I can RSP in 1961. Bros, because Obama Bima, equal animal, I'm Vionia with the head there. Bros, that is even though you go join the APC or you don't join the APC. He joined the APC, go join the wrong campaign. What we know say, here we are allowed, here we are allowed, continue consuming. That is how you make the movie now. You can see Godwin Obaseki story. How will they pay a vision by year? Can you imagine? Ablas na webolo America ni alone kita ni alole e pusi. Where I'm my brother, where I am ya webo wa ye or ni webo. Ya keke na pesh ni Godwin Obaseki ya vio ke chanare. Emi no ma esunu de egba wa be do na do vote ne. The real money wo chief of staff Tawa Akoyede they by finish Aibo. He had been a task force chairman of the task force team pandemic coronavirus in the name of money. Ya fefe ya gbina yone. So le no ri mudia woni an we $100 dem ni ya analyze we ni $1 billion la ado atawe area de what so called keke na pe area don't know keke na pe nu we e godu ni total you we emi no pa ru we na tie awe in case of not your emergency ale me ya treat na ke hospital eru we. Now those people are still clapping for him. Well, yes, a man agele wa with me. Keke na pay for where that one they exist. Mona tell me whose place do those things. Even the place where we say that they suffer keke na pay not there. Mo will look what them doing all those caban where we say that they look for their stomach infrastructure. Mona look what that they support. But brother, I just want to tell you, say change your way. You understand? Enter the main line. Follow the movie train. What is the movie train? Your good word, your good legacy, your good prophesy. Where you go, they prophesy. You go talk and you go come happen. You know, she has a comrade, mega comrade, Clement Edegbe. Orata Ode, Orata Mososunu. Erima Beje as a freedom fighter because God knows man what we are fighting for. We want to bring good hair to our people. All those good hair that all those politicians have steal from them. We want to bring it to them back. That is why I say, Operation hold your government accountable. Hold God, we know Paseki accountable. Person where they Lagos, where we say no even concern coronavirus for Benin, they go put a picture, they go put information, that is it. Me, you know, say, oh, na scam. Government where they use sickness, they scam people. But una they play with the sickness. If the sickness come, una go wrong, una go too late. If you know what it be coronavirus, if you know what it be coronavirus, if you really come, una go too late. We una that is it. Thank God say una no say you no big man, you no poor man. And one that one I take happy where make God do not basaki you the use on the play. Make you the use on the scam and do people. We are there watching. But I want to let you know, say man, you already at do your small 4 years. I mean, if your small 4 months and 5 months will remain. Make sure that make you come up for them. Make I come up for the line because this message is just for a demo. Change your way so that may God feel bless your way. Waiting you define, may you reach. Not change that. Those your attitude, bro. A more boy I will sing one more way I will sing. When comment the way not here, born one here, born no larger media as a media presenter like you. Or if not, bros, we not go stop you. Freedom fighter. If you they oppress, we go fight you. We go pursue you at us. If you say you don't want you, we go temperature you. We go give you what it be temperature. We go kill your career. Now what they do, we go kill your career. We go kill your repertoire. That is repertoire. We go damage your repertoire. We go give you where you belong to. In case not take you a big boy. That is why you will see at the Mofis Hotel. That is it. You understand? Oh yeah, senior over every media presenter best of say innocent people no via picture in the name of say you want fight Central. Oh, you fight for Central. I say now we're making work now, we're marrying work now. You don't know who you fight. And we're not making work now. Oh yeah, God will not basaki. A mofiuji. Now why where who we are credit to Obama, who credit to Bedu, Obama where Obama where, who credit to be your fans say man you want to really bring that guy for all those stupid. But last. Umami Baboyak Babebo. Okay, Kiladiana, we do train another senior terrorist cake, whoever they has a no way Richard Osariaye. I'm any Noya art, the way with the Mofiuji art. Because only him a wow, so Wawa and me Yasuwa, our Giawe. Everywhere looking at the Bogate on a winning art, even the Mofiuji art. So God bless you, brothers and sisters. I just want to do this video just to send it to this. Our brother, and I continue saying we didn't hate him, and we hate his doing, and we hate his character. It should change. It should make it carry on. If not, channel television. No, if not TVC they watch before, make it turn and go channel television. Or if not CNN, now for the broadcast, tell us say CNN in Fox News they get fake news. So Fox News, they get fake news. Go to BBC or CNN. May you turn on your channel so that make people they respond for you well. If not, our response we go to disgrace you. God bless you, everyone. Good night. Happy Monday night. So that is how we do, because we know they sleep well. If you not do video, we'll do side instrumental, we'll do one small. You understand? That is how we sabi you. Good night, my people. Good night, my people. What the video not get? My big brother Naija was. I better give the Mofi Dausa doing aka social media. Now we social media president. I beg. Umana rejo imonu ya ire. Wakin obi anyone wa talk be. Uwe na kwa ri typho.